What's up, guys? My name is Corey James, and today I wanted to revisit a mass UFO sighting that I talked about in my last video, the Phoenix Lights. Now, this video is not in regards to the incident itself, rather it's of the individual who was the first person to report those 6 lights that night. And when you see who this individual is, let's just say it's 3 minutes you're going to want to spare. So let's not waste another minute. Let's dive into this mystery and let's get to it. Back in 2017, Kurt Russell was giving an interview promoting his movie Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 on BBC show The One. Alongside co-star Chris Pratt, he revealed that he was actually the General Aviation pilot who initially reported the Phoenix Lights as he was making his approach into the airport. Watch this video and listen to him tell this story to a shocked audience, a shocked host, and makes Chris Pratt a believer. Kurt Russell even gives the actual tail number of the flight just to validate, yes, it was Kurt Russell who initially reported the Phoenix Lights. Check it out.
Because of you both being here, I looked into the international files, not covered by our Ministry of Defense, but maybe covered by yours. This took place in Arizona. An unidentified pilot, according to the press cuttings, flying near an airport in Arizona with his son when he spotted 6 lights in the night sky. So he called from the aeroplane to air traffic control to say, I'm seeing these lights here. I wasn't expecting any other planes. There are none supposed to be on my landing path. Can you tell me what's going on? They said there are no other planes. He said, I'm seeing 6 bright lights coming towards me. Mystery unresolved.
Except,
Oh?
tail number for that plane was Bonanza 2 Tango Sierra, and I was the pilot. No, way. Oliver and I.
Yes, take us back. Doesn't say that in the briefing.
Oliver and I.
I should have read to the end.
Oliver and I were flying in. I was flying him to go see his girlfriend, and we were on approach, and I saw 6 lights over the airport in absolute uniform in a V shape, and Oliver said to me, I was just looking at him, and I was coming in. We're maybe a half a mile out, and Oliver said, "Pa, what are those lights?" And I then it kind of like came out of my reverie, and I said, "I don't know what they are." I said, he said, "Are we okay here?" And I said, "Yeah, I'm gonna call him," and I reported it. And they said, "We're not painting anything. We don't show anything." I said, "Well, okay, I'm going to declare it's unidentified, it's flying, and it's 6 objects." We landed. I taxied, dropped him off, took off, went back to L.A. Never said a word. He never said a word. I never thought of it. 2 years later, Goldie is watching a television show when I came home.
Yeah.
And the show is on UFOs. But as I came home, "Hey, honey, how's it going?" And I'm kind of hearing the TV going, and I stopped and I started watching, and it was on that event. Now, that was the most viewed UFO event. Over 20,000 people saw that. And I'm watching this, and I'm feeling like Richard Dreyfuss in Close Encounters of the Third Kind. It's like, why do I know this? You know what? And it's not clear to me. And finally, I said, then they said a pilot reported it. A General Aviation pilot reported it on landing. I'd never thought of it since then, and I said, that was me. That was me. And I said, wait a minute, I'll go to my logbooks. So I went to my logbooks, and there was the flight at that time, and I didn't mention anything about the UFO. The fascinating part of that to me is that it just went literally out of my head. And Oliver never mentioned it. And had I not seen that show, I'd have never thought of it again.
Amazing.
Now, that to me was the weird part.
Believer now, Chris?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm convinced.
It's just unidentified. It's just unidentified. It's
There you
flying,
go.
and it's
an object.
an object.
Yeah.
All right.
Moving towards you at this.
We need to move on.
That's going to be it for me on this one, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tell your friends about me, keep coming back for more. Thank you again, guys. You are awesome. My name is Corey James. I'll see you on the next one.